Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about the Onam. Number 1. Onam is a festival in Kerala. Number 2. It is a very famous festival. Number 3. It is enjoyed by people of all ages. Number 4. It is a 10-day festival. Number 5. It falls in the month of August to September. Number 6. Onam is a beautiful and joyous festival. Number 7. Many traditional art forms are showcased during Onam. Number 8. Onam is celebrated in Kerala in remembrance of the good governance under the rule of the Daitya King Mahabali. Number 9. Onam is a time for family and friends to get together. Number 10. It is also a time to reflect on the values of peace, prosperity and compassion. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.